Hello, everybody. I just wanted to take a minute to show you how to create a video using the different effects, especially the whiteboard. I know our first group didn't get to that today, and our second group we did in small groups, but I just wanted to go over it quickly. So you can see here that I'm in my groups, and I'm going to go into flipgrid practice. And I have one topic here, and I'm just going to add a new one. So I'm going to add a topic. I'm going to title it. I'm going to add some directions. I'm going to give the kids 45 seconds to create their video. I'm not going to moderate the videos as they come in. I'm just going to let them go to the Flipgrid for everyone to see at this point. And then I would go here to record my video. But don't forget, you do have many other options here. But I'm going to show you how to record the video. So here I am, recording my Flipgrid video, but before I get started, I'm going to go into effects. I could add some filters if I wanted to. Backing out of filters, clicking here. I could add some frames. Backing out of frames. I could add an emoji to just add some fun, or I could make it larger for the kids who are looking to hide their faces. My Chromebook is working very slowly. Wait for it. There we go. So I could make this larger and hide behind it. Put that over here now. They have a little bit of word art that you can access. So you could choose a text. I'll stick with this superpower, and this little box comes up for me to type in. And then that's movable as well. Going back to effects, I'm going to skip draw for just a moment and go to the board. And this is what I was excited about showing you. You could choose any of these boards. I'll just choose the plain white one for now. And you can see here that I've divided the board into the whiteboard and into my picture on the other side. And I can adjust this as I want. And then if I wanted to, I could go to effects again, do the draw tool, and I could draw something. So I had referenced that experiment where you have a glass, you have a carbonated beverage, add some raisins. The carbonated beverage sticks to the raisins and causes them to go up and back down. So your kids can do the same thing. We are in the part where the teacher creates a video, but the kids have the same option. Then if you were to actually record, I just played around with the effects. You would hit the record button here. And now I'm recording in Flipgrid. So I'm recording in Screencastify right now, but also in Flipgrid. Once you record your Flipgrid video, you hit stop when you're done. It'll play, you get a chance to review it. That's taking its time, just give it a moment. I'll hide behind the emoji while we wait. Oh, I know. I can't see the next over here, sorry. You have to hit next. Now it's I'm recording in Flipgrid. So your chance to review it. Right now. Okay, and then I'll hit next again after I review it and I feel that everything is good. Now I can take that selfie. So this is the picture kids will see when they go to click on my video. Hit next again. The video is now uploading. It's just going to take a second. And now I can say that it's completed. You can go here, look over all of your settings one more time. And when you're ready, hit create topic. And then here's the link that you can share, or you can go right to Classroom. and add it to your Google Classroom with the prompts that you see here. It's working very slowly, so I'm going to just end the video at this point, but these prompts are self-explanatory, and you can add it as an assignment or an announcement, whatever you want, to your Google Classroom, and you're all set. Your students will be able to access it. Thanks again. Bye, everyone.